Hello everyone, you're on ATSA channel. Today we are going to explore Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to make text bigger on Redmi. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Open settings and scroll down, find personalization. Then select fonts. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Also check out our playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.